Welcome, friends. Today, we will discuss an important topic in sociology, and that is the concept of society. At the outset, I want to remind you that sociology is the study of society. The next question which follows is: what is society? The word society has been derived from the Latin word societas, socius, or French word société, which means companionship or friendly association with others. Now it can be understood that the word companionship is directly related to terms social interaction and social relationship, and both these terms are responsible for the formation of society. It becomes quite pertinent to mention the definition given by Robert Morrison McIver, who defined society as a web of social relationship, which means that society is based on the network of relations among individuals and groups. Moving ahead, let us have a glance on some more definitions of society. John Frank Cuba, an American sociologist, said, "A society is a group of people who have lived together long enough to become organized to consider themselves as a unit distinct from another." The main focus of this definition is on shared identity, time, and organization. The next definition is by a German sociologist, George Simmel, who said, "It is the element of sociability that defines the essence of society." The highlighted word here on the screen is sociability, which means ability to interact or connecting with people. Then we have Richard Tracy Lapierre, an American sociologist, who did his PhD in sociology in 1930. Society is a complex form of interaction that arises among group of people. Furthermore, McIver and Page have given an apt definition of society, which is displayed on the screen in a diagrammatical form. It says, "Society is a system of usages, procedures, authority, mutual aid, many groupings and divisions, system of control of human behavior and liberties." McIver and Page has comprehensively stated the concept of society in their definition. Besides the definitions discussed here, we can gradually progress towards how society comes into existence. As individual is a unit of society who performs a social action with another individual or a group, which leads to social interaction. When this interaction is repeated over a span of time, it establishes a social relationship, which further leads to expansion of relationships that forms a network of relationships, thereby creating a society. Now, we can go into one of the questions as to what is the basis of society. Please have a look on the depiction on the screen to understand the basis in a better way. There are three essential bases of society. The first one being culture. It comprises of the basic meaning people attach to events, words, objects, gestures, or shared way of life. The second is social structure. It has a system that organizes people into a unit. It includes social groups, family, religion, education, belief system, or any other social institution. Then we have shared values and norms. These are the expected form of behavior or conduct that people largely have from each other. It majorly influences society's dynamism, progress, or development. So we can have a recap of what we discussed today. We discussed about the meaning of society, definitions of society, etymology, how it came into existence, and the basis of society. Friends, I will be back with more on society in the next lecture. Keep watching the Sociology Scoop. Thank you so much.